What's good everyone, Maui and Trizzy here. We're going to take you through our adventure on El Nido's Tour A. We flew from Manila to El Nido's Leo Airport via AirSwift. We checked into the El Nido Coco Resort and booked our tours through them. Tour A was about 1,200 pesos per person, $22 USD. Now, let's jump into one of 4 boat tours, Tour A. First stop, 7 Commandos Beach. We spent about 45 minutes here, adoring the crystal blue waters. You never stop being in awe of the surroundings on a boat tour in the Philippines. Stop number 2 requires a kayak rental, so be sure to bring extra cash with you so you can paddle through the big lagoon. This part of the tour was so picturesque, it looked and felt unreal. You're going through turquoise waters in between massive limestones, some as narrow as a slot canyon that maneuvering with the paddle was a challenge. You can get off the kayak in shallow areas. Your amazing guides will help you get off and on the kayak. After an hour at the big lagoon, you'll head to the third stop, Shimizu Island, for some lunch. Crab, fish, pork, fruits, veggies, rice, and noodles were on the menu. While eating, we spotted a Komodo dragon behind us. We took this time to relax and refuel for the next stop. It's time to snorkel around Miniloc Island, so don't forget to bring your snorkel gear. It can be rented prior to the tour, but we like to have our own. Check out the array of fishes here. We saw our first wild squid too. The corals were alive, so please do not harm them. Our last stop, the secret lagoon, where you have to crawl and duck through the entrance. FYI, water shoes are vital on these boat tours. The secret lagoon has a 360 limestone wall surrounding you in the water. There you have it, the 5 stops in El Nido's Tour A excursion. We got back to town around 4 p.m. and ended our day at a vegan spot called TASTE El Nido. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and get notified. Stay tuned for El Nido's Tour C.